friends, welcome to Kidco TV. Today, we're waddling into a world full of feathers and fun. We're learning about ducks. Let's dive in. Ducks are birds that love water. They're also called waterfowl, and you can find them in ponds, lakes, rivers, and even your local park. Ducks live all over the world except in Antarctica. They make nests near water and love to swim, float, and flap in the pond. Some ducks even live in trees or nest in tall grasses. Ducks are not picky eaters. They love insects, plants, grains, and even little fish. But be careful. Feeding bread to ducks isn't good for them. Give them oats or lettuce instead. Ducks are amazing swimmers and flyers. They have webbed feet to paddle fast, waterproof feathers to stay dry, and they can even sleep with one eye open. Do you know why ducks don't sing? Because they have oil on their feathers that keeps them dry and floaty. It's like wearing a raincoat. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducklings follow their mom in a row. Ducks lay eggs, and when the ducklings hatch, they're already fluffy and ready to swim. What color duck would you draw? Yellow, green, rainbow? Let's test your duck smarts with a quiz. What do ducks have on their feet? What's a baby duck called? Why don't ducks sink? What should we not feed ducks? Great job, duck detectives. If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up and tell us your favorite duck fact in the comments.
Did you have fun? Let us know in the comments. And to keep the adventures coming, share the smiles and subscribe for more Kidco TV fun.